Welcome to my channel Healthy Samayal. Today let's prepare bottle gourd dosa. I have not used any maida, rice. It's very healthy and tasty. Take a bottle gourd. Just peel the skin of this bottle gourd. Remove the seeds of the bottle gourd and then chop them into pieces. Just transfer this bottle gourd into a mixer. Grind it into a fine paste. Once it is done, just transfer the paste into a bowl. It is one of the very healthy recipe. 1 cup of wheat flour, 5 to 6 tablespoons rava, mix it well. Add salt to taste. Water as needed. I am adding 3 glasses of water. The batter should be in a water consistency. It should not be thick, it should be thin enough. Let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add few onions, chopped green chillies, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, and just mix them, and our bottle gourd dosa batter is ready. Now just take a tawa, pour it on a hot pan. Make sure that the pan is hot enough. Just add few drops of oil. Cook dosa until the edges becomes crispy. Just detach the edges. Just flip it over and toss it on the other side. And our bottle gourd dosa is ready. It takes little more time to cook your dosa, so be patient and cook this dosa on a high flame. Try this wonderful and healthy dosa. Serve it with coconut chutney or tomato chutney. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Keep watching Healthy Samayal. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Thank you.